Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out what I have here. I have this LED rope light. We're gonna give this thing a try. Should be pretty cool. LED neon rope light. So I'm excited to give this thing a go and see how it works. If I can get the tape off. I can always get it off that way. So let's see what we got. So we have the plug, we have the controller here. I think we can connect it through to my phone. We have a remote. And we have the LED rope light and a bunch of connectors and some sticky tape. I guess that would tape onto this device here if you don't want to screw it into the wall or whatnot. But let's give this thing a try here. I think I can turn AC on this. There we go. So now we have AC power. So hopefully it's going to be enough power to power this thing. We will plug it in. We're going to go basic here. Plug it in here, plug it in there. And it connects up with the regular kind of 4-pin like LED strip connector, so that's kind of cool. We just have to line up the arrows to each other. Oh, well, look at that, we already got light. Let's see if I try to change it to, well, I'm not going to be able to change it without pulling out the little battery connector. So, okay, so here we go. So let me open up the Velcro here. Is it stuck? Oh, they Velcroed it in between. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like here. So it's super flexible, and it looks just like a rope instead of it being like sometimes you get those LEDs, and they are, the dot, 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 dot. This one here is the whole string, and that's what it all looks like here. So you can make a whole big loop-de-loop. So let me see if I try to change some of these colors, what it does. I don't know if you guys can see the colors. Let me turn off my light of this, but I think because I have these fluorescent lights on here, you might not get the color effect. I don't know, let's see. Can you see anything changing? Hopefully you can. I can't see too much, I'm colorblind. But then let's see, if we go white, so we have white. I'll go the main colors here. We have white, blue, green, and red. So hopefully you guys saw some of those colors as it was doing it. You can do different fading and stuff and different settings and things like that where it's just kind of flickering different colors. There's lots of different little settings on here. But this stuff is really nice and thick, and this will be great. You can put this under a counter somewhere. You could just put it on the wall. I'm going to probably scribble it onto the wall and make it look like something like they had here on the covers here. Let's see, like something like that, where they have it. That way, I don't know how they have spaces in between there. I guess you could put some black tape on it or white tape on it or something like that to cover a space, but otherwise it's just one big long strip. But I can go and drape it on things, and it would look really cool. There's a shelf over here. You guys can't see it, but there is one. Let's see. Can I drape it on it, or am I on top of something? There. But yeah, I could just wrap it around and put it anywhere I want, and it is super cool. I love it. This is nice. This is really nice stuff. LED neon rope lights. So super cool. I'm just gonna put this everywhere here, just to kind of have them all around me. I'll be the coolest looking guy here. Oh, can I do it this way? I'm Mr. LED now. Awesome. I love it. This is great. This is so cool. Can't wait to go put this up on the wall. Thumbs up.